This is Richard, an owner whose building has just been completed. Today, his general contractor is handing over all final project documents. For some owners, this means receiving boxes, binders, and rolls of paper. But because Richard's general contractor used Revu, Richard is receiving digital O&M manuals. So when something like an air filter needs to be replaced, the building maintenance team can quickly find the make and model for the replacement filter without searching through stacks of paper. Easily access the information you need. Download a trial of Bluebeam Revu today.